Whoa, I am just absolutely blown away by how attractive my subscribers are. Oh, you're not subscribed? Well, it is actually a known fact that if you subscribe to this channel, you are a more attractive person. Hey you, it's Kyla Lou, and today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys some TikTok updates for November directly from the mouth of the TikTok creator newsletter. No one really asked me for this, but I'm gonna share with you anyways. Do you guys even like these TikTok monthly update videos? Let me know down in the comments if these videos are even helpful for you guys, because if they're not, I'll stop doing them. But I need to hear from the people of this community. The 2 new product features you need to check out for the TikTok updates for November. Okay, let's get into this. Here I am on the TikTok creator newsletter, and let's just kind of go through this and see what updates we have and things like that. So first up on the list,
the countdown begins. Post your TikTok now.
Okay, so I talked about TikTok now in another video. Actually, yeah, I think I made an entire separate video talking about TikTok now. And I don't know, I wasn't completely sold on it. If you guys don't know what TikTok Now is, let's read this here. TikTok Now allows you to share authentic real-time images or 10-second videos at the same time as your friends. Once you get the Now notification, you have up to 3 minutes to share exactly what you're up to, capturing content from both the selfie and back cameras. Don't worry, you can still post a TikTok Now after the 3-minute countdown. It will just be marked late. So this is very similar to the Be Real feature on Instagram. I think it's a little weird, but it could be cool. I definitely see the angle that they're coming from with trying to help encourage creators to make more authentic content, but I just think it's a little odd. If you're on your TikTok screen, if you look down in the bottom left, there's a little lightning bolt that says Now, and you can click on that and post your Now. You guys can also go and check out my video about TikTok Now to get some more information on how to use the feature, and you guys actually see me use the feature for the first time, so that's very exciting. Next we have, hey Siri, share a TikTok video. Sharing TikTok videos with friends just got a whole lot easier. All you have to do is ask Siri to share with your contact's name on iMessage, WhatsApp, WeChat, and more. Okay, and then this button says more exciting new features on TikTok. Alrighty, let's click on that and see what we have here. Okay, so this is the TikTok creator portal. You guys can go and check it out, and they have all these updates here. So I've seen all these updates from this monkey picture down. So let's click on this one up here. September and October 2022 brought along some major new updates to TikTok features. Yes, that is true, and I did talk about that in some of my other update videos. But let's see if there's anything new in here. Okay, so we've got a TikTok Pulse update. I've never heard of TikTok Pulse. What is TikTok Pulse? We have an update regarding TikTok Pulse, our contextual advertising solution that lets advertisers place their brands alongside your top content. If you qualify, you will receive a notification to join the Pulse program. Okay, so it's all about advertising. And I think there's actually another part in our TikTok creator newsletter that goes over TikTok Pulse. So we'll talk about that more in a sec. But you can see here, to qualify for TikTok Pulse, you must have at least 1,000 followers, be based in the United States, be 18 years or older, have 5 videos or more, have 5 videos or more, have 5 videos or more posted in the last 30 days, and join the TikTok creator marketplace. Then we've got enhanced editing tools. So how many of you guys have been using the new studio editor on TikTok? What do you think? There's a lot of different things that you can do with it. You can edit clips, edit sounds, add overlays, edit and position text, adjust video speed, frame content, add sounds and effects. I definitely think the new studio feature, or the new studio editor, is pretty nice. There are still a few things that it's like, that probably could be a little bit better, but it's definitely a better option than their old adjust clips editor. So that's really nice. And if you guys have had the opportunity to use it, let me know. What do you think? Are there things that you love about it? Are there things that you don't love about it? So they're just letting us know that the new studio editor is available and that we can use it. Then we have photo mode. Yep, I think I remember talking about this in another update video. When you prefer to express yourself in formats other than video, we released photo mode, a new photo carousel format available on mobile that's ideal for sharing high quality images on TikTok. So basically think Instagram story on TikTok, because you can upload multiple photos. You can add music on that if you want, and then when people are viewing it on TikTok, they can tap through like an Instagram story. So I actually have a video showing you guys how to do that as well. I'll make sure to link that down in the description below. And then we have BookTok features. So I was actually, the other day, I just briefly looked through this to kind of see what we had. In one of our update videos, I remember them talking about like hashtag BookTok. I think that might have been in the August updates that I did. And I was like, oh, cool, they're doing like BookTok. But I was actually like reading more into this and I'm like, this is freaking awesome. And I don't think enough creators know about this. They've added this thing that you can do, which is a book link. So you can link up to 5 books in a TikTok video, allowing viewers to tap and go directly to that book detail page and add it to their favorites, which I think is really cool. And recently I went onto TikTok and I just searched book recommendations and I saw so many creator videos that they could be using this book link feature that weren't. And I'm like, this is 100% a missed opportunity because you can actually link the books that you're talking about and recommending. So that's really cool. So to do that, to use the book link, when you're on the post screen, so where you add your captions, your text, all that good stuff, you're gonna tap add link on the post screen before publishing your video. You can select the book and search for any Penguin Random House book, more publishers to come, that is available in the United States and Great Britain, so they are a little bit limited on the regions. Once you found your desired title, tap add to video to return to the post screen. When ready, press post to share your video. The selected title will be featured above the caption as a link to the video. So I just think this is a really cool feature and not enough creators know about this. So that's all of the exciting updates there from TikTok. Let's head back to our newsletter. And then we have our creator portal tip of the month. TikTok is going to be sharing with us creating branded content on TikTok. Sometimes the creator portal tip of the month is a little bit lacking, but I actually think this one might be useful. So let's see what they have to say. TikTok defines branded content as videos you make that promote brands, goods, or services in exchange for something of value from a third party. This includes brand endorsements, partnerships, or some other kind of special promotion for a product or service. A branded content post can include a product which you have been gifted or received funds to post about. It may involve you receiving a commission from a third party if other creators purchase the product or service you post about. It can even be a post which features a brand you have a commercial relationship with, such as if you're a brand ambassador or something similar. Be sure to check out the creator portal for more branding content best practices. Okay, let's just look over this briefly to see what they have to say. Okay, what is branding content? Why branding content? Yeah, we get that. Branded content keys. Now that you're familiar with what branded content is, you may be hungry to get started, but keep this in mind first. Make TikToks, not commercials. Okay. So if you guys, oh my gosh, I made a video on this because I was reviewing the TikTok business webinar. I actually am pretty proud of that video, so I'll make sure to link it down below. And I thought it turned out pretty well, but it was so funny because this whole webinar was talking about how to make branded TikToks that don't feel like branded TikToks. And I just thought it was kind of funny because yeah, obviously you want it to be natural. It's still a brand promotion, right? It's still branded content, so I think it's funny. They've got 2 examples here. Do they have any other useful content in here? The branded content toggle allows creators to tag brand sponsors when creating a branded post and inform both the brand and the audience of the commercial relationship existing between both parties. When enabling the toggle on a video, a disclosure is added to the video description informing viewers that this is a piece of branded content. And yeah, make sure you do that. If you're doing branded content on TikTok, make sure you toggle that on so people know. We don't want to be deceiving on the app. So make sure you do that. All branded content is reviewed by our moderation team to ensure it meets our branded content policy. So you guys can go and check out what that is. If you are making branded content, the branded content toggle must be enabled when posting branded content on TikTok. Okay, so there's a little bit of information. So then if we scroll down, we've got some new product features. So get more money with TikTok Pulse. So this is a fairly new feature, okay? So we have an update regarding TikTok Pulse, our contextual advertising solution that lets advertisers place their brands alongside your top content. I wonder what that actually means. So if you qualify, you'll receive a notification to join. Okay, so after joining Pulse and after accepting the creator terms and conditions, if any one of your videos are used, you will receive a payment notification during the first half of the following month. So is it like brands can use your videos to promote their stuff and then you get a cut for it, but you like initially you weren't making it for the brand. I'm kind of confused. Stay tuned for more information on how you'll be able to opt into TikTok Pulse. Okay, I'm still a little bit confused on what TikTok Pulse is, but it has to do with advertising. So I'm sure we'll get some more information in the future about that. And then on every one of TikTok creator newsletters, they do have a creator highlight. So who do we have this month? Our creator highlight this month is Gohar's Guide, an amazing educational creator who built his community by sharing practical study tips and finding a consistent video format that works. Follow Gohar's, I hope I'm saying his name right, unique study techniques and productivity guides. Okay, so let's actually go and check out his profile. So if we click on this, it's going to pull up his account on my computer. And what's kind of cool is about these creator highlights is maybe going in and seeing and doing some research, right? Putting on your analytical glasses, so to speak, and seeing if there's anything in here that you can use to make your own content better. So right off the bat, what I notice is it's very consistent, right? He's got a very, very, very consistent format for his videos. He's got this table that he starts off with in the background, and he's got these titles on every single one of his videos, so you know exactly what the video is about, and they all look the exact same. So that way his content is really consistent. And if I hop on here, I'm like, oh, I'm looking for some study tips, or how would I study this, or how do I find some motivation, right? You can look at all of these different ones. So that might be something to look at for your own content. If you can create this consistent view of your content, so when people get on there, they can find exactly what they're looking for. And then you can go even further. You can go into one of the videos and see what he's doing in there. What is he doing that creates engagement and that has people watch the entire video? What captions is he using? Is he doing voiceovers? Is he adding music? Things like that. I actually think that this creator highlight section could be really valuable to you as a creator, because obviously they're doing something right. So by going in and analyzing a little bit of their content to see if there's anything that you can take and model for your own content, I just don't think that's an opportunity that you want to pass up. So there you guys go. There are some updates for you regarding TikTok. And if you guys found any value in this video, please consider liking and subscribing, because it really does help support my channel so much. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch my content, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die.